So we'll talk about reduce. What does reduce do? Okay. Map will map, right? You're mapping a particular function to particular logic, basically, right? Particular function, particular logic to each of the values. Filter, you have a condition, and values which meet those conditions only you want to show. Reduce is entire data you want to reduce it to 1. Okay, entire data you want to reduce into 1. For example, we ask about cumulative sum, isn't it? What is cumulative sum? So let's take LS3 only here. Okay. So you have LS3 here. Okay. Cumulative sum. Okay, this is important. Okay, from statistics perspective also. Cumulative sum means you're adding all the values in the list. So I'm saying 2 plus 4. Okay, result of that plus 6. Okay, then add. So entire value 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, you're adding all this. But how does cumulative sum work is, we say sum equal to 0, and in the loop, okay, we say sum plus equal to I, right? For I in LS3, for I in LS3, and I'm going to say sum, right? And now you print the sum. This is your cumulative sum. You're taking one, adding, right? Then taking second number, adding to it, right? So this will give us cumulative sum. So such situation, okay, such situation, we can use reduce. Okay, now see, map and filter have more wide use. Okay, so it is available in default Python installation. You don't have to import anything. Map, filter, reduce was one of the first features that were added to Python. Okay, and that was its strength. Okay. Later, okay, reduce was moved to functools. So we have a package of module rather. We have a module called functools, and the reduce function got added to functools because we don't find as wide use as map and filter. Okay, so it's okay, we'll make it available, but you have to import. Okay, so I can say from functools import what? Reduce. From functools import reduce. So now reduce is available for us to use. Okay, so we can do reduce, of course, but how will our lambda function look like in this case? Okay, so see, in cumulative sum, first iteration, you take first two values, isn't it? You take first two values. So you take 2 and 4. So you add 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. In second iteration, so let's say I'll take here. So let's write a lambda function. So lambda function will have how many input? 2 input. And x plus y is the output, isn't it? So we said lambda xy and return x plus y. So this is how our function, okay, lambda function will look like. But what filter does is, sorry, reduce, right? Not filter, reduce, right? What reduce does is, for the first iteration, it will pass two values, which is 2 and 4. Okay, x is 2, y is 4. Answer is 2 plus 4, 6. In second iteration, x is the old value, which is the output of the previous step. So 6. X will be 6 and y will be 8. Sorry, 6, right? Not 8, 6. So we have 6 plus 6, 12. Next iteration, x will be what?
12.
X will be 12. And what will be the value of y?
8.
8. Okay, next, X will be the sum, 12 plus 8, 20, and then Y will be 10. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is how reduce will make this work. Okay, so this is like repeating loop n minus 1 time. Okay, okay, n minus 1, because first iteration you are taking two values together. Unlike here, first iteration also I'm taking only one value, right? I'm adding it to 0. But in our case, it will take x, y and add two values. And second iteration only, old value will be the previous one, and then x, y value will be the new value. Now again, to print it, see, since reduce, how many members will be there in the reduce? The map we saw, we have same number of members as the list.
Number of members minus 1.
Sorry, sum of numbers.
No, sir. Suppose X elements are there in the list, then the finally reduced one may be X minus 1 elements.
No, it is one only. No, why x minus 1? So you're getting 218. This is one value. When you're doing cumulative sum, it's going to add and give you one value.
Yeah. Some no, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So reduce will reduce your entire list, even if you have 100, 500,
Yeah.
values, into just one single value.
Okay. Yes.
So in this case, it is not a list.
Yes.
Whatever you get is a direct value. Okay.
Yes.
So
Sir.
I can say solution. So equal to, and you can print. So here you get 218. You see, so this is how you can perform map, filter, and reduce. Okay.
So,
yeah, go ahead. Ask me a question.
Reduce is only to calculate cumulative sum.
No, whatever logic you want to build. Why?
Okay.
Yeah, adding your logic here, right?
Can you give some more examples, sir? One more example.
I want to find multiplication of these values.
Okay.
So whatever logic you put, see, you have X and Y.
Okay.
The first time I'm telling you, X, Y will be the first two members of the group.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in
first
the same way, like if we take.
Hold on, let me finish it. No, when I'm
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First iteration, X, Y will be the members from the list. So in this case, X, Y will be 2, or X will be 2, Y will be 4.
Yeah.
What operation you're adding? Okay, well, it's up to you. Whatever operation you add, you will get one single output.
Yes.
Yes, whatever you're doing, checking, adding, whatever.
Yes.
Okay, you have to do only mathematical operation here so that you get only numbers, right? If you have numbers in the list.
Okay.
So the output that you get will go to X. And the new value from the list is picked and given to Y. Again, same logic are applying on all the values. That's the meaning of reduce. They're applying same value. That's what I'm saying. Reduce is not widely used. Okay, like map and filter. Map and filter are very widely used.
Okay, sir.
I want you to write a program. Okay, before we we'll talk about something today, and we'll end. Maybe next 15 minutes we'll end. Okay,
sir.
I'm not feeling very comfortable.
Yeah, we understand, sir.